Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how to change language on Netflix. To change the language on your Netflix account, first of all, open up the Netflix app on your device or open up a web browser on your computer. Inside the URL box, type in netflix.com and search. Also make sure that you're logged into your Netflix account like you normally do. Once you're inside the home page, mouse over to your profile avatar at the top right and click on Account. Inside the Account menu, scroll down and click on Edit Settings. After going ahead and selecting Edit Settings, scroll down and tap on Languages under Preferences. Now, choose the Display Language options available in the drop-down. Select the display language of your choice that you want to change to, and you will then be able to change your display language setting on Netflix. Click the Save button at the bottom to save the changes, and that's how you change the language of your Netflix account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.